Hi, welcome back to That'll Do Garage. Today we're going to go on a little adventure and we're going to bring you guys along. We're going to go visit Mitch's other vehicles in a storage facility not far away. We're going to go get the first look at that Land Cruiser that he referenced in the other videos. And there might be another hidden surprise back there that we'll see if we can get to as well. You'll have to watch and see. But come along with us. It's a lovely 88 degrees today, so I'm dripping in sweat, but hopefully you're cool and comfortable wherever you are. Part about this truck. Look at this door handle. That thing will take your finger off if you let it. This is not like a Nancy safety OSHA, you know, that kind of stuff. This is like a man's